Are you looking to invest intelligently in Dubai's fast-evolving office market? Not just chasing trends, but also positioning yourself ahead of the curve? Rents are rising, supply is tightening, and a new wave of branded commercial assets is changing the game. In this video, I will walk you through one of the most strategic launches on the table right now, HQ by Rove, right in the heart of Business Bay. Maybe you are an investor looking for strong rental yields. Maybe you are a business owner searching for a branded office that elevates your company image. Or maybe you're just curious about how Dubai is reinventing its workspace offering. Either way, this project is worth paying attention to, and if you stay until the end, I will share my personal perspective as both an investor and an advisor. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos on real estate investments in Dubai, Miami, and other global markets. Before we dive into HQ by Rove, it's important to understand the bigger picture, because in real estate, timing and context are everything. And right now, Dubai's office market is one of the strongest stories globally. According to Jevaux' Q2 2025 market report, the sector is showing remarkable resilience and growth. On average, office rents in Dubai went up 36% year on year. That's not just a small uptick, that's one of the sharpest increases we've seen in over a decade. Now let's break that down. In 11 of the 23 sub-markets tracked, rents stabilized with zero quarter-on-quarter growth, which means tenants are holding on to leases. But in the other sub-markets, rents kept climbing. In places like Dubai Silicon Oasis, Barsha Heights, Business Bay, and Studio City, rents jumped 10% or more in just one quarter. If you annualize that, you are looking at growth rates that are rarely sustainable in mature markets. And yet here, they are being absorbed. So why is that happening? Number one, international business inflow. Dubai has become the go-to headquarters for global companies. Just in Q1 2025, the Dubai Chamber of Commerce registered 4,500 new Indian companies, 21 new companies from Pakistan, and 1,300 new companies from Egypt, and hundreds more from UK, China, Jordan, Turkey, and Iraq. And this isn't just a trickle of business. It's a flood of regional HQs, consultancy, tech startup, and financial service firms setting up shop here in Dubai. And each one of these companies needs an office space. Reason number two, limited supply. Yes, there's about 1 million square feet of new office stock expected by late 2025 and early 2026. Projects like Wazzle Tower, DIFC Square, Uptown Towers in JLT, and Capital One in JVC are coming. But there's a catch. Most of that are already pre-committed. Companies are signing up before handover. In fact, many tenants are securing rights of first refusal for extra space in the same building so they can expand later without losing their current location. That tells you that the market is tight. Reason number three, policy and regulation. The UAE government has made extremely easy for business to operate here. 100% foreign ownership on onshore company, lower setup costs, long-term visas, and even citizenship reform. Pro-business regulations and tax frameworks. That's why global confidence is high. The UAE isn't just attracting companies, it's locking them in for the long term. Reason number four, flight to quality. Another dynamic is that tenants today want grade A branded well management space. They don't just want square footage. They want to be in a building that reflects their brand, attracts talent, and offer modern amenities. Occupiers are even less selective about rent when the building has the right profile. And that's where branded offices products stand out. They answer to this new demand by combining professionalism, hospitality, and flexibility in a way that traditional office towers don't. So what's the bottom line? We are looking at a market with surging demand driven by global inflows, tight supply despite incoming delivers, rising rents up to 36% year on year, and a clear preference for grade A branded office. That's the backdrop against which HQ by Rove is being launched. Now that you understand the market dynamics, let's talk about HQ by Rove itself, because this project isn't just another office tower, it's a response to everything we just discussed. This project coming from Rove Group, a developer that has been gaining attention here in Dubai for creating projects with a strong lifestyle and community angle. What's important here is credibility. In a market where investors and companies are becoming more selective, having a solid developer behind the project is critical. Rove Group is not just delivering a building, they are creating a way of working that matches Dubai's ambition to stay ahead globally. Let's talk about the brand Rove. Rove Hotels. And this is where HQ by Rove becomes really unique. Rove is one of the most recognizable hospitality and lifestyle brands here in Dubai. Their hotels are known for being vibrant, modern, affordable, yet stylish, and deeply connected with the local community. If you ever stayed on a Rove hotel, you know it's not just about a room, it's about the atmosphere, the social spaces, the design, the experience. Now imagine taking the same name and DNA and bringing it to an office world. That's what HQ by Rove is doing. This isn't just a building with desks and modern rooms. It's an ecosystem where the workplace feels like a lifestyle space, not a corporate box. And this matters because tenants today, whether they are startups, tech firms, consultants, or even large corporations, want to be in places that inspire talent, support collaboration, and reflect their brand identity. A Rove branded office immediately say, this is a modern, innovative, and dynamic company. HQ by Rove is located in Business Bay, and if you follow Dubai's growth, you know exactly what this matters. Business Bay is essentially the city's new age business hub. It sits right between downtown and close enough to DIFC, Sheikh Zayed Road, and minutes from Dubai International Airport. From a strategic perspective, it connects you to everything. And remember, this isn't just about convenience. Business Bay is one of the supermarkets where the rent increased by more than 10% in just one quarter, according to the Seville's report. So the demand is already proven. Tenants want to be here. Investors want to own here. The infrastructure, the connectivity, and the prestige all make it in a magnet for business. Now let's get into what the project actually is. HQ by Rove is designed as a hybrid workspace concept. That means it's not a traditional office tower where you just rent square meters. Instead, it's a branded environment combining flexible office units designed to cater to different business sizes and needs, creative meeting and event spaces that foster collaboration and networking, lifestyle and wellness features, because productivity today is about balance, not just about the long hours. Community-driven amenities aligning the Rove's reputation for creating engaging environments. This makes HQ by Rove appealing to two main groups: businesses and tenants, who get a workspace that enhances their brand, helps talent attraction, and gives them flexibility. Investors who benefit from product that stands out in the market, commands premium rents, and enjoys higher liquidity when it's time to sell. It's essentially the answer to flight to quality that we talked about earlier. From an investor perspective, entry is designed to be accessible. You are not required to put all the money up front. Instead, you get a flexible payment plan spread across the construction timeline with a bulk on the handover. What does that mean to you? You keep your capital working elsewhere while the project's being built. You benefit from appreciation during the construction phase, and you only outlay the majority when the building is ready to generate rental income. This kind of structure is exactly what makes Dubai attractive to investors compared to more rigid market like the US or Europe. So let's bring this together. Dubai's office market is stronger than ever. Rents up 36% year on year, demand at records high, and shortage of grade A space. HQ by Rove delivered exactly what the market wants. Branded, lifestyle-driven offices in the city's most strategic location. If you are an investor, this means strong rental potential and liquidity. If you are a business, it means a workspace that adds to your brand and culture. From my perspective, HQ by Rove is a smart play at the right time. It combines timing, branding, and location. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Does this project fit your investment or business strategy? Comment below, and if you want my detailed breakdown of the available units and payment plan, reach out and I'll share with you. See you in the next video.